Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how to work with DocuSign. DocuSign is an electronic digital signing tool that you can choose a file and send it off to be signed. And it's also legally accepted. So after we have it installed, I'm in a document library. I'll mark the document and I will go on top. I will see a menu of DocuSign. I'll choose to get signature. This will bring me into the site of DocuSign. I need to log in. And now I can choose the person I want to send it. It can be people that are in our organization, and it can be external as well. So we're logging in, and here's the document. I can have multiple documents. So at the first part here, I can actually state the name of the person. So the name of the person is Ami Diamond, and the email is amidiamond@hotmail.com. Okay, if I have multiple people that need to sign, I can set the sign order. Once I'm ready to put, and I can add another recipient people. I'll go to next. And in next, I can decide where I want the people to sign it and what type. If there's multiple people, each one will be with a different color, and each person I can assign what to sign where. So in this example, in this area of the document, I can ask for signature here, initials here. I can ask for them to type something, and this would be maybe the date, and there's lots of options here, so you can choose what to do. Once I'm finished here, now if there was more people in the process, I could choose the next person, and actually to choose each person what should they sign. I'll click I'm done. I can press send, and now this will be sent to the person that I have put. So actually I should get now a mail. This is my mail, and I received a mail. Says Ami Diamond sent you a document, review it. I'll open it, and I need to mark that I agree, and I'll press continue, and I'll press start, and it will tell me what to do. So first of all, here is the initials. So I will come here, and here I can choose either initial here, or I can make a initial by myself, okay, or I can actually upload. So in this case, I'll put an initial. Okay, so let's choose this, and let's go on. Now it says I need to type something, so let's put the date. Let's make it the 1st of the 1st 2022, and here is the signature. Again, here either if I have it ready, I can upload it if I want this to sign, or I can choose this signature that it's giving me, and all I need to do is to press end. This is in Hebrew, but believe me. So it lets me a message that actually I'm done, and I will receive a mail once everyone has signed. So let's see. I just received a mail that says that the signature has been signed by all of the people, and I can see the document with the signing. Now this is how it is from the person that receives it. Let's see how we see it in a DocuSign. Okay, the person that sent it. Okay, what happens is the same file that has been signed, a new folder has been created, DocuSign Documents, where the signed file has been stored. So you see, it has created a copy in the site. Let's close this. So this is actually the process. I want to show you something additional. Let me just test this. And you notice that it also says that the process has been finished. In a DocuSign site, I can also see the whole process, who is approved and who is not yet approved, and by that I can follow. And if something is wrong, I can go and edit. So this is actually what I wanted to show you. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, and let's talk. Bye bye.